she's putting the fork and the food in her mouth at the same time, but not necessarily on each other. Let Mommy help you. Okay. You did it. Yay! You did it. Want to try again? Push it. Chew good. Oh, yay. She got the idea. But just not the coordination yet. We're working on it. Oh, that's a big one. That's a big one. You better chew that up good. Show me how you chew. How do you chew your food? Oh, like that? Get a piece. Put a piece on the fork. Let me help you? Yay! Okay, you try. Oh! Oh, you got one! Yay, you did! Yay, you really did it!